I bet you've never heard of Coffee Pot Bayou, but once you do, you won't forget it. Tucked between downtown St. Petersburg, historic Old Northeast, and Snell Isle, yes, this exclusive community is one of the most desirable places to live in Tampa Bay. Here, you'll find a mix of charming 1920s homes and stunning modern architecture, all set along scenic waterfront sidewalks, parks, and playgrounds. Today, I'm taking you inside one of the Bayou's most spectacular modern homes, a $3.2 million luxury retreat that truly defines Florida living. Hello everyone, I'm Britta Becker, your Tampa Bay real estate agent and the host of American Dream TV Selling Tampa. So please make sure you subscribe for more Tampa Bay home tours and downloads, and also my free Tampa relocation guide. Here we go. Life at Coffee Pot Bayou is all about lifestyle. Imagine morning walks along the waterfront, paddleboarding at sunrise, or perhaps biking into downtown for dinner. Yep, this is exactly what you can expect living in this part of the world. Wide sidewalks, scenic bay views, and easy walkability to Coffee Pot Park and North Shore Park make this truly one of the most family-friendly and exclusive neighborhoods right here in St. Pete. Now, let's get down to it. Let's talk about the home itself. It was built in 2022 and is a modern masterpiece. It has 4 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, over 3,100 square feet of living space, and a design that blends indoors and outdoor living seamlessly. When you open the front door, you'll be stepping inside to soaring 14-foot ceilings, an open concept layout, and a Scandinavian-inspired chef's kitchen with decor appliances, a waterfall island which is oversized, and walls of sliding glass doors that bring in natural light from the outside and connect directly to your space and private pool oasis. It's the perfect space for entertaining or enjoying everyday comfort. Up the stairs to the second floor, the owner's suite awaits. Yes, this is truly a retreat. It comes with a complete spa-style bathroom featuring a soaking tub and walk-in shower, oversized, plus French doors that open to a private balcony. Guest suites are oversized as well, with walk-in closets, 14-foot ceilings, and they also overlook the Spanish Revival homes, keeping that balance of modern and historic charm. Outdoors, this home lives like a resort. A heated pool, outdoor kitchen and grill, garden, and plenty of lounge and dining space make it the ultimate spot to relax or perhaps entertain. And yes, it even comes with a 6-seater golf cart, perfect for cruising to restaurants, wine bars, breweries, and all the shops downtown. So, what do you think? Is Coffee Pot Bayou Tampa Bay's best kept secret? This $3.2 million coffee pot pool home proves you can have luxury, lifestyle, and location all in one. If you're thinking about buying or selling in St. Petersburg or Tampa Bay, please download my free Tampa Bay relocation guide or reach out to me directly. All my contact information is below. And if you have any questions about this home, don't hesitate to reach out as well. And please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching.